In this tutorial, we will be giving you a quick introduction to the major features and modules in IGP Digital Publisher. This is a product familiarity tour for first-time users. We will use the abbreviation DP for IGP Digital Publisher in this tutorial. IGP Digital Publisher is a web application you access through a browser. Because it uses the latest features of the Internet, it is important you use an up-to-date, highly standards-compliant browser. We strongly recommend the latest version of Firefox or Google Chrome with PDF plugins active. The concept of IGP Digital Publisher is digitize once, use forever. That means DP uses a single trusted XHTML source file you import, edit and maintain. DP is then always ready to generate all the formats you need for your publishing business. Because IGP Digital Publisher is a web application, that means your content is in a single maintained location. The content doesn't move. People come to the content. You can always trust it's the right version. You can instantly use the content at any time to generate all print and ebook formats required now. And the content is ready for any future processing and packaging requirements. Comprehensive digital publisher content management, production and format generation needs a complete set of supporting tools. IGP Digital Publisher has everything included. So let's take a quick look at the various modules and what they do. When you log into DP, you are in the management interface. Every user has this simple personal interface. Use private documents to create and maintain your own document. Click on Projects to see projects you have been assigned. Here you can view the other project participants and access any shared project documents. The Library view allows you to see all documents that have been completed in production and have been assigned for archiving. These cannot be edited unless they are moved back to a project. You can update and maintain your personal account details and change your password at any time. Bookmarks let you organize your private and project documents using your own categories. Click on the bookmark icon in any book and it is added to your bookmark list. Recent Documents lets you directly access the last 20 documents you have viewed or been working on. You can open these with a single click. We are now going to open each of these modules and briefly discuss what they do. Every document has a toolbar with a number of options that allow you to access other tools and metadata. We will start off by clicking Edit, which opens Igp Writer. This is the main editing heart of the application. The purpose of Igp Writer is to allow authorized users to author, edit, and apply tagging patterns to create high-quality digital content that can be instantly used for format generation and is valuable into the future. You can move around your document using the Table of Contents panel here. The most important thing to understand here is, can you edit a page? If the top bar says Locked by You, you are in control and can edit the page and save it. If someone else has the page open, it will show locked by their name. You can use the Save button at any time. If you leave the page open, it will auto-save every 30 minutes. The main working tools for Writer are under these 4 buttons. There are a lot of tool options here. While you are learning to use IGP Digital Publisher, you can turn extended help on by clicking on Button Tips. This will give you a longer explanation of what each button does. The toolbar options are Hide show editing tools. These are tools that help you when working directly on your content. Section tools. Create, delete and organize the various sections in your document. There is also access to infinite undo for all saves on document sections. Design tools. Access Document Designer, CSS Editor, font schemes and design profiles. Linking tools. Apply manual section linking and open IGP e-indexer. You can use the standard editing tools to modify the text. When you click Save, your changes are sent back to the server for posterity. We will now have a quick look at the Document Toolbar. This is on the top of the interface over here on the right. You can access many of the main tools from here. Perhaps the most important button on the whole interface is Formats on Demand, or FOD. Here, with a single click, you can generate all these various formats from the same IGP Foundation XHTML source. There is a built-in reader that can be used to view and review documents without opening the editing interface. It is also an important part of the DP Remix feature if you have permissions to use Remix. You can find out more than you ever wanted to know about your document with the Statistics report. This is very useful for many things, such as discovering special characters used in your document. This button opens IGP Font Manager. This is a large and significant application. Notably, it is a CSS3 font manager. More on that in the dedicated tutorials. Here you can view and select font families for a document. The fonts are also available from Design Tools by clicking on the Font Scheme button available from the Design Tools, which lets you select and apply a font for any purpose within a print or reader document. If your book has images, video, audio or SVG, you will be uploading and inserting these into the document from Media Manager. This provides a lot of automation to make creating and managing images for multiple formats a little easier. For example, the recommendation is you upload your print resolution image, and the online reading system and thumbnail images are generated automatically in the background. Images can be inserted into a document anywhere at any time. You can customize the delivery packaging of the various formats with the document processing instruction tools. All the various options for different PDF and ebook formats are available. For example, you can rearrange the sequence of ebook packaging and define whether sections are in or out of the spine or table of contents. More on that in other tutorials. You can view your changes as you edit at any time. Click the Live Preview Reader button. This will instantly show you what your document will look like in a reflowable ebook reader, or as a PDF. There is a special option called Composition PDF, which show paragraph numbers which exactly match the paragraph numbers in the editing interface. This allows for quick navigation to a paragraph that has been edited. Typography in the browser, or TIB, is a revolutionary way to typeset books. Unlike a desktop typesetting application, the only function of TIB is typography and tracking. Here you can generate a typesetting report and instantly change the flow properties of any paragraph. This analyzes the document and tells us where to look for content layout, turn and tracking errors. We can move to any paragraph, open the tracking tool and make the required adjustments. The next major tool is IGP Document Designer. Click on Design Tools. Here is the button to open IGP Document Designer. Click and Document Designer will open in a new window. Document Designer allows the interactive modification of the book layout and design. Any changes you make can be instantly seen. Currently the book is 6 by 9 inches. We will just change that to A5, 149mm by 210mm. The changes are instantly reflected in the interface. Let's change the body font. Click Save, close Document Designer, and you can instantly see the changes in your PDF in the Preview Reader. You can create standard book indexes here that are used in both the print and ebook formats. Indexing can be done in real time while a document is being edited. IGPDigital Publisher is a large horizontal platform with many modules working together. It contains all the tools required to generate today's format output requirements, including print, ebook formats, and other standard or custom packages. It puts you in control of everything: design, editorial, tagging and format packaging, generation and delivery. Your content is maintained safely in one place. IGPDigital Publisher is a comprehensive content management system. This is the end of this 10-minute introduction tutorial. You can now go on to the shorter how-to tutorials to learn specific actions and skills. Thank you for watching.